This week on Mom's Cookbook Collection, we're going to be using the Caprilands Kitchen Cookbook by Adelma, Grenier, Simmons. Economy Cooking with Herbs, copyright 1981. We're going to be doing Bulgarian potatoes with poultry seasoning and caraway seeds. And we're going to be modifying this recipe, adding some ingredients and changing them out a little as well. Ingredients: 6 medium-sized potatoes sliced, 1/2 teaspoon of caraway seed, 1 onion grated, 1 pound of cottage cheese. I'll be subbing out taco blend, finely shredded cheddar, and Monterey Jack cheese with taco seasoning. Salt, grated pepper, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1.5 sticks of butter. I'm going to reduce that to 1 stick of butter. I just had my physical, my blood pressure's perfect, and I'd like to keep it that way. 2 eggs, 1 cup of sour cream. I'll be adding 2 ounces of cooked bacon, crumbled, 1 green pepper shredded, and pepperoni slices. Parboil these potato slices in salted water with 1/2 teaspoon of caraway seed. Arrange in a well-buttered casserole. Add the grated onion over the potatoes. Add the grated pepper over the potatoes. Crumple the bacon over the potatoes. Season with salt and grated pepper. Bread with 1 pound of cheese and 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning. Bake in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. Melt 1 stick of butter and pour over the cheese mixture. Beat the 2 eggs with the 1 cup of sour cream. Pour over the mixture. Add the pepperoni slices and bake about 20 minutes more or until the top is browned and the custard topping is set. All in all, looks like it came out. The custard worked great. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, the bacon is awesome. Let's with the pepperoni. Oh. Oh, wow. I'm in heaven. And with the potatoes, it is a winner. Now, this recipe is modified from the Caprilands Kitchen book by Adelma, Grenier, Simmons, copyright 1981. This is Bulgarian potatoes, poultry seasoning, and caraway seeds. That's what we used in this one. And actually, this is the only recipe in this cookbook that was bookmarked by my mother, and I think she may have made this one, or maybe Potatoes O'Brien, but it is just excellent. And my subs and my additions came out perfect.